So maybe you're trying to make money online right now. Maybe you've dabbled with Shopify, maybe you've tried Amazon FBA, maybe you've tried trading, maybe you've tried online network marketing, whatever the case may be, maybe you haven't reached your goal yet on making a steady income online. I get it. I've been there, right? And so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make $10,000 per month from Google and receive these badass checks in the mail from Google, more like virtual payments direct to my bank account from Google Adsense, and how it is the securest way to make money online, in my opinion, when I started my entrepreneurial career. But basically, Google AdSense is the money that creators make, either bloggers or writers on a website, or YouTubers from the video content that they produce on their YouTube channels. So when you're looking at a website, it looks like, you know, those little pop-up banners you see on the sides or in the middle, or maybe there's something flashy of like a resort. Those are advertisements that advertisers are paying these creators to make money, to get more, you know, eyeballs, impressions, and clicks to their particular offer. So every advertisement that you see on my channel, the ones that play in the beginning, aka the pre-roll, the mid-roll, and the advertisements after my video, those are all bringing me in income when people, you know, just only look at them, right? And so it's really cool, you know, to create this content on either a website or a YouTube channel where you can get paid to create content. Yes, it's not super easy and it will take time to build up, but it's definitely more achievable than it ever has been in the history of making money online. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea of how I was able to produce this last month's check of $9,915, just under $10,000, I wanted to show you just how many views that takes to earn that amount of income. Now, it varies differently and greatly with YouTube. It all kind of depends on this factor called CPM. However, if you take a look at my Social Blade account, you can see that my channel right now, at the moment, it fluctuates all the time, but it's receiving between 9,000 and 10,000 views per day. So that's approximately 10,000 visitors that are coming to my channel every single day. And so for my channel and my niche and my CPM, which stands for cost per thousand views, so, you know, YouTubers get paid by views, that is how much it takes for me to make $10,000 per month from Google AdSense. Now, this is definitely doable. Don't get discouraged. You may not start off and make a YouTube channel and create $10,000 right off the bat, but you know, what if you're generating an extra $500 a month from Google AdSense? Now, how much could that, you know, change your life, help pay some bills, help pay off some debt, whatever it is? And so in this video, pay attention to the blueprint I'm going to show you, because it works. Also, after this video, if you are interested in how I built a wildly profitable business on YouTube and how you can do it too, definitely check out my subscribers to sales blueprint. It'll be the first link in the description below. Excuse the dogs barking in the background, my bad. But the step one in getting to 10K per month on Google is to choose a profitable AdSense niche. So what does this mean? Well, I'm gonna be specifically talking about YouTube from here on out, because that is my expertise and I'm not a blogger. Maybe right now you have a couple of ideas of niches that you could start your YouTube channel with, such as finance, you know, health, wealth, whatever it is, but you're trying to think of which one would be the best for you to start your YouTube channel. Well, I could tell you right now that one tool that will really help you is Google Keyword Planner, right? And so what is that? So just type in Google Keyword Planner into Google, sign in, it's free to create an account, and what you can do is explore keywords. So a keyword is a search phrase that is entered in to any search engine. When you type in how to lose weight on Google, how to lose weight on YouTube, that is called a keyword. So what Google Planner is going to help you do is identify which niche will give you the most potential to make the most money. So what I mean by this is, if you're exploring keywords on Google Keyword Planner, you'll see that a keyword like what is a 401k is more profitable than if you type in yoga mats. You know, I think it's something like, I think I looked it up once, it's like $19 versus $1.23. So advertisers are willing to pay $19 per click to a YouTube channel that talks about, you know, finance and 401ks, as opposed to a YouTube channel that is about yoga and yoga mats or whatever the case may be. And don't let this be the end all be all deciding factor for you, because you definitely want to talk about a topic that you're passionate about and that you have an expertise. So try to find a happy medium in between something you like to talk about in your expertise and in between something that's gonna make a decent amount of money per click. The second thing you wanna do, and this is super, super important, so once you hone in on what your niche is going to be, I recommend that you start to map out your first 10 video titles. And so number one tool for YouTube optimization and ranking on YouTube, even when you're starting from 0 subscribers and 0 views, is a tool called TUBEBUDDY. So what does TUBEBUDDY do? Well, first, it is a Chrome extension that you could install into your Chrome browser for free. There are different paid versions, but the free version will work for what I'm about to show you right now. And so you would download the TUBEBUDDY tool, make sure you have it in your Chrome extension, and when you connect it to your YouTube account, you can pull up a tool called Keyword Explorer, and you can type in different titles, different keywords, different phrases that people are searching for, and TUBEBUDDY will give it a ranking, like if it's good, if it's poor, if it's excellent. If the more you have the rating towards excellent, then the more than likely you should choose that phrase to make a video on. So if I type in, for example, how to sing, then I get a poor rating because there's millions of people looking for it and that have already looked for it. But if I type in something like how to sing for beginners, or narrow it down and make it more long tail, which means you make the keyword, you know, 5 words or longer, then that TUBEBUDDY says that is a good rating for me to go for, and it's a title I want to write down and make content around. I mean, obviously assuming you have a YouTube channel about singing and, you know, vocal lessons and stuff like that. So I definitely check out TUBEBUDDY. There is a link in the description. If you were to sign up through that affiliate link, you can use my discount code of Marissa's Buddy, and you would get a discount at checkout so that you can use that tool and some of the advanced features that I have not yet mentioned that'll really, really help with the growth of your YouTube channel. Step number 3, after you have your first 10 video titles mapped out and you're using the TUBEBUDDY tool, definitely determine your posting frequency. Now this is super important because your channel won't just grow after you post 2 videos. You have to keep feeding the algorithm. It's like any other social media platform. If you're not posting consistent content, your channel, your profile, whatever, it won't get followers and subscribers, and it's no different with YouTube. So what I advise people when starting a YouTube channel, make it a priority to post a minimum of 4 videos per month. 4 videos is perfect for somebody with a busy schedule to implement this content creation, because it's not like it's every day, or it's not like you're getting in front of the camera and having to prepare all the time. It's a manageable posting frequency where you could even batch all of it in the first 3 days of the month. And what I mean by that is you can, you know, script out your videos. You can, you know, create 2 videos one day, just get on the camera and talk and create the video, and then the next day or 2 you can create the other 2 videos. Then you have all your content planned out for a month. Because I know when I get in the flow, you know, just like I am right now of recording this YouTube video, I'm like, yeah, like let's record another one. You know, I can't record too many in one day, but you get the point. Just make sure you get into a habit of posting minimum 4 videos per month, and then if you can boost up the frequency, do it. The more, the merrier. And step 4, I kind of alluded to it in step 3, is to produce quality content. So this could mean a bunch of things for, you know, several people, but what it means for me is definitely give your highest amount of value. What I mean by that is you'll probably be doing tutorials or step-by-step videos, but giving your good advice to people on YouTube. You don't have to have a fancy 4K setup with lights and everything like I do now. I have a 4K camera, you know, the bundle, it cost me, I think $800, $900 on Amazon. I have 2 lights that are, you know, staring in my face right now, but it didn't always start out that way. I started with just a simple webcam, and nothing else. I mean, and I started with my phone, and it was super pixelated, the quality was horrible, but what I was telling people was very valuable to them, and that's how I was able to gain a lot of subscribers within my first 3 months and 4 months of getting on YouTube. I didn't care, I just got started. And so if you guys are interested in learning more about video editing and just how to set up your home studio with your smartphone, definitely check out the link in the description for the video service team that I use. It's a 30-minute free consultation call where they'll help you walk you through your video editing needs for your YouTube channel, or really whatever types of videos you need in your business. So step number 5 to making $10,000 from Google AdSense every month is to promote your channel. I mean, you have so many other social media platforms with billions of users combined at your fingertips, at your disposal, right? And so if you don't have any other social media platforms, create them and share your YouTube videos on them. At minimum, I'm assuming you probably have a personal page on Facebook, or maybe you've heard of the website called Quora, where it's kind of like a forum where people talk about all kinds of stuff. There's a lot of traffic on Quora, so what you could do is just go in there, answer people's questions about your topic. So the singing example, there's probably a bunch of people, up and coming singers, asking about singing advice. You can go on Quora, answer questions, and say, hey, you know, check out this latest video I made on my channel, and then that traffic from Quora will go to your YouTube channel. And the same thing with other online forums. There's some Facebook groups, not all of them, but there's some Facebook groups that will allow you to post your content, you know, your blog articles, your YouTube videos, and those are definitely the places where you want to promote your YouTube channel and your content. So get creative. I know it's going to take some time, but at least figure out 1 or 2 ways to get your YouTube channel content off of YouTube, because the YouTube algorithm loves when it sees YouTube content on other platforms. What it does is it says, oh, well, this video is on all these other platforms, it must be very popular, we're gonna push more traffic that way. I hope you've taken lots of notes by now on how you can make your first 10K with Google AdSense per month. If you're enjoying this video, let's head on over to this video, which is up next, where I talk about YouTube passive income and strategies that make at least $1,000 per month, and that video starts right now. And so the reason why I'm telling you about YouTube and it's a passive income magnet